Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, blessed Dancehall skilla there again. Manners and respect each and every one. Alright, my people, so when it comes on to funeral, for me, that's a sad moment when it comes on to funeral. So I want to make it very clear that I mean no disrespect when it comes on to a situation that I'm about to talk about. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that's going to show some things that happen on a day when a open grave that was made was too small for a coffin to go down in. There were persons who were working together to try and get the coffin down in the grave. My people, let's take a look at these pieces of videos. I hope that these pieces of videos can bring some form of awareness. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Kuya, Aisa. Lord God. You did it for true. You can't go down a B0MB.
Rum, please.
They might put it down a D and say, Aisa.
Rum, please.
Jaja, you. When you could have go straight, Miguel. Jaja, you would.
Yo, upside down. You want rum?
Rum, you want, man.
You look around and see if you know good. Yo,
Rascal.
clean beer, yeah. Indian and rum. You look around and see if you know good. Sunburn your tea now in that.
You can't go down a ras.
They put a big light, yeah.
Yeah, I'll bend up, put it. Motor then took up and mash up the ras. Can't go down.
Here's the next piece of video. This is the next piece of video. Look. Something had been done.
This is one of the buildings.
Something just was not done right, you see? But overall though, when it comes down to the whole funeral thing and so forth, it's just sad, you see? Well, I hope that those pieces of videos can bring some form of awareness. Just be careful of the measurements. Yeah, be careful of the measurements. So make sure the measurements are okay, so that's not go wrong. Let me know anything about that. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person who was inside of a motor vehicle and was also holding something that looks like a gun, point that thing that looks like a gun in the direction of persons who were standing at a location or at a spot. My people, the reason why I said it looks like a gun is because I am not able to confirm if that thing is a real gun or a fake gun. And even if it is real or not, viewers, subscribers, the situation look away. You see what I say? Now, I'm not sure why the person did something like that. I got the understanding that the person was not the only person who was inside of the motor vehicle. You see me? This really and truly look away. See? But anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. I say the people, I say danger when it comes on to that had been done. It's danger. I mean, what if there was a licensed firearm holder who decided to do something? What if? Well, my people, tell me what you think about the situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Listen, Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a truck collided with a motor vehicle. I'm not able to confirm how many motor vehicles might have been damaged when it comes on to the accident or the situation during subscribers, because I see at least one other motor vehicle at a position that makes me assume certain things. However, I got the understanding that at least 2 motor vehicles have been damaged because of the incident. In my point of view, and this is also my opinion, I think that the person who was operating the open back van motor vehicle was at fault when it comes on to the incident, my people. But you can tell me if you think I am right, and you can also tell me if you think I am wrong. But that's what I think, and that's my opinion. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video be recorded or where the incident happened. But tell me who you think was at fault when it comes on to this incident. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Just go and look, you're so I see the motivator. See? Watch it. See the person. Yeah, the motivator, that's right. Smart. And the Now, in my point of view, when it comes on to an area like that, there are certain things that you should not do. You have to be careful. I mean, the place is busy with motor vehicles going one direction and the other direction, and then the person go do something like that. The person drive to a certain spot and then go reverse in an area like that, my people. So in my point of view, I think that the person who was operating a type of motor vehicle that I call a type of van or a walkback van was at fault when it comes down to the situation. This is the motor vehicle I talk about. Look at the screen right here. Look at what I highlight as well. Other motor vehicle I talk. See, so whoever operates a motor vehicle, I think that person was at fault when it comes down to that incident. But you can tell me what you think, my people. Alright, now my people, why take a look at this video right here, so. Tell me, what do you see in this video? What are those things? Are they eggs? Would you call them the eggs? Would you call those things eggs? Look what those persons were doing. Huh? My people, be very careful of certain things out here. Be very careful. Be aware. So I don't have much information about that video, now what those persons were doing. I'm not able to confirm what they were going to do with those things. I'm not able to confirm what those persons were doing or what they might be doing with those things. But the video caught my attention. I find it interesting. I present this video to you. And if so be the case, hopefully it can bring some form of awareness. Be very careful. The next video that I'm going to present to you had been recorded inside of a place that some people might call a hospital. Some people might also call a place like that a medical facility. So in the video, me hear a person said some words that caught my attention, viewers and subscribers, and based on some words that the person said, it makes me wonder about the person's mental health. And based on certain things that I saw in the video, I somewhat wondered and somewhat concerned about the health of some persons who I saw in the video, as well as the person we are talking in the video as well. So may I say, Please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that this video had been recorded inside of a place that is said to be a hospital. The video shows persons who were not well at the time when this video had been recorded. I'm not able to tell certain things that might have happened after my people. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe, listen to what the person said. Tell me what to think about what the person said in this video.
Watch out. Yeah, see what I go on. Look where them come put me. Big so good girl there. With that nasty thinking self. Just because man place not done yet. So where them come put me. Some stinking people, bad man. Yo, them they ever smell right, all and them have them. That's why them family they ever come look upon them in a youth. You hear that? Can't wait upon them for dead, you know, Dan. You hear that? Big man thing, you know. Yo, I trade ever know my bumbo clad feel. That me I tell you know. Yo, I say it go, you know, Dan. I say it go, I guess what my place not done yet, you know. So me have to just go and bear this bumbo clad, you know. You hear that? Next dog, I make a mistake in a life. And the one time I make a mistake in a life, bad man, I this come reach man in a youth. I mean never kill nobody family yet, you know, Dan. You hear that? I told a man they have a bumbo clad no youth. That me I tell you. Right now I feel like if I could have turned back the hands of time, me I cut off some people bumbo clad head, dog. Big man bumbo clad thing, yo. I'm sorry about it, dog. Every day me tell a man that, yo. Every day me tell a man, yo. Warm to you, them smell right, yo. And I right after them come put me. Yo, my brethren them don't tell me a one step back me making a bumbo clad life, mad dog. I when me did that thing. When me just a bumbo clad see it, yo. God no. Yo dog, I truly never know you. Right now I just wish I made just start cut off, dog. That's some big pussy nurse that man they actually never know. Some thinking nurse girl, dog. I want to hear, dog. Yo.
Yeah, me some words to the person saying the video, not people, but I'm wondering if that is the true source as to why the person was saying certain words that the person said. See, because I'm wondering about the person's mental health as well. Alright, so I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Now let me know what I think about those videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. I present those videos to you because they caught my attention, and they also have been posted on social media. Present them to you so you can look at them, have some form of understanding. You can also let me know what to think about those videos as well. Here's where I'm going to leave it. So if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla.